guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today's video is going to be my monthly eyeshadow palette review for the month of January. So if you guys want to see all of the eyeshadow palettes that I used, then keep watching. If you are new here and don't know what my monthly eyeshadow review is, basically I have so many eyeshadow palettes and I get a lot in my Ipsy, and I'm kind of trying to clean out my collection. I made a whole Excel spreadsheet of all my eyeshadow palettes, and I use a random number generator, and I pick a random palette, use it for the week unless I buy a new one or I get one in my Ipsy. This month is all new palettes, so let's get right into it. First up is the Thumper palette from the Colourpop and Bambi collab. I liked this palette. I thought it was cute. It's okay though. It wasn't really anything spectacular, so which was kind of a letdown. I did get this in my Ipsy Glitz and Glam like mystery bag. If you guys want to check that video out, I'll link it down below. But it's okay. This palette is discontinued, which is a bummer. I think I'll keep it in my collection, and if I don't like it the next time I use it, I'll get rid of it. Next up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I loved this palette. I am so happy I bought it. I was gonna buy it from Sephora because I did place a Sephora order because I wanted the Makeup by Mario new lipsticks and they didn't have it, so I got it from Ulta. It's stunning. It's just, this is perfect. I haven't loved an Anastasia palette since the Riviera palette came out. This is just amazing. If it is still in stock, you have to pick it up. It's a great mini palette. I love Anastasia's eyeshadow formula. It's so good. If you're just starting out in makeup or you've always just wanted to buy yourself a nice high-end eyeshadow palette, I would check out Anastasia Beverly Hills. They have a really great formula. Next up is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Luxe Legacy palette. I got this from TJ Maxx. It was like $10. I really liked this. I like the color story. I love the neutrals with the olivey green. That's my favorite shade of green. I don't know if I did spray this with alcohol before I used it, and I don't know if that dried the shadows out a little bit or if the formula of these shadows are just a more dry formula. I feel like it just is a more dry formula, but the shimmers were very dry feeling, but I feel like they worked really well and they're really pretty. It's funny because I was going to order this palette when I made the Ulta order to get the Sultry palette, and I didn't get this because I wasn't really loving the fact that there is a shade called Meat and Potatoes. This shade right here is literally called Meat and Potatoes. But then I saw this at TJ Maxx and I was like, you know what? I might as well just get it because it was untouched. So I'm really glad I picked it up. Last is the Ofra Luxe Signature palette. I got this in my Ipsy for the month of January, and I don't think my eyes really like this. This is the first eyeshadow palette in my life I'm ever saying this about. So today is Thursday. On Monday I used this, and I just used, I think, this shade right here, which is Truffle. It's just a really neutral, boring shade. Just wanted to do something quick and easy, and my eyes felt okay. Then Tuesday, I used Truffle and Divine, which is this really pretty bronzy shimmery shade. And my left eye got so irritated all day. So Wednesday and today, I have not worn any eyeshadow and my eye is feeling better. I don't know if it was this eyeshadow palette or not, and I'm kind of afraid it is this eyeshadow palette. So I've stopped using it for the remainder of the week because I'm afraid it's hurting my eyeball. So this month was a 50-50 month. I really liked the Sultry palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the Ofra palette and the Thumper palette were kind of meh in my book. Let me know what you think of this month's eyeshadow palettes that I used. If you've ever used any of these eyeshadow palettes, let me know your thoughts down below. What eyeshadow palettes have you been using recently? I would love to add to my collection that is ever growing, but I'm trying to shrink it down. And that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time.